What's up, everyone? Here with my kitty.
You are so lucky. You have like 2 tasks to do like every day, and that's sleep and eat. Maybe 3 if that counts going to the bathroom.
I don't have a lot to do today. It is a snow day, as you can see. It's a Sunday, so we're not off from school yet. I haven't heard anything, but besides that, football's on, and that's all that matters. I'm trying to think. It's the Broncos and the Patriots and the Rams versus, I don't know. But that's besides the point. It's football, and it's playoff season, and that's all that matters. Let's go see the damage. I feel like that's ice. Let's see how deep my foot can go. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. I'm not gonna be shoveling this for like a week. We have yoga mats outside our house for some reason, and we don't know how they got here. No one knows. We think it's the landlord's responsibility, but who knows? We topped our beautiful Christmas tree with a Solo Red Cup because college, I don't know. Now I need you guys' opinion. So I have something called snow food. And I think everyone that is about to be in a blizzard has snow food, which means, in my opinion, it's food that you have, that you get before the snowstorm. It's more like comfort food. It's not like, oh, I gotta get eggs and bread. Like, I already have that shit. I have a gnarly sweet tooth. But I do have croutons. And with croutons, that means I have salad far deep back in there. So my idea with these vlogs is to basically do a Sunday thing every week. Just this simple, just a Sunday vlog would come out Monday. Because it's not a Sunday vlog if it's, you know, filmed on Friday. So this is my Sunday day of doing nothing. Usually I do nothing. If it gets boring, if every Sunday I have nothing to do, then I'll probably change it to a Saturday vlog as a little treat for all the 190 viewers. Bah. It's been 3 years since I've started walking in the blizzard with 2 cans of tuna and a water canteen. I thought I had boots, but apparently I didn't. I swore my mom and I brought them here when I moved back in to school, but I'm apparently not. Oh my God. Okay, we're staying on this. Like, look, I'm gonna show you how deep it goes. You ready? Look at that. I've never seen it that bad so long. Oh my God. It's so dangerous. I think it's okay to drive on these roads, not gonna lie. It feels like the last man standing. Last man on earth. Like, no one is out here. No one is driving. Literally, it's a ghost town. I got people driving by. Someone did actually just drive. I'm literally gonna walk in the road because it's the lowest. Look, this is actually very easy to do. I can't see from behind me, but I can't believe people are driving in this right now. magnificent scene out here in Overbrook, or Philly, whatever, Overbrook, Philly, same thing. Can't wait to get rid of this beard also. I mean, but like, this is like a snow beard. I see a snowplow in the distance. Oh my God, maybe you can give me a ride. I'm not going that far. I'm just going straight down the street. I had to get out of my little area back there. It's been about 5 minutes since I started walking, and my feet is already like ice.
Sweatshirt under this.
Dude,
oh, look at
you
this
are not
kid.
dressed at all. Change of plans. We're going to
Wow, he's vlogging.
a snarty, a day party. We got Harry here, we got Paulo. Snarty, right?
What?
It's a snow party. A day party. Darn day. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
God.
Think about it, just walked down here.
You know what? This fucking is That's crazy. Perfect.
That's crazy.
Oh! Yes. From Ashwood.
He is wearing walk from Ashwood.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, Ashwood's not even on the campus. It's the blizzard of 2020. What year is it?
Big ass coat.
Yeah. This is extra large.
Cameras at like zero, like a bar. I'm cooked.
No, walk in the road. Walk in the, let's go in the road.
I'll fucking set the fuck.
Oh, yes.
Let's go this way.
That's better.
Oh, yeah.
It's in my socks!
Yeah, you didn't prepare well.
Oh my god!
Dude, I have low battery on my phone already.
You're wearing boots.
They're not tied well. They're not tied well. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Apparently, I'm the one that came the most prepared, and I didn't even know you were going. How are you? Doing all right. You as well.
You know what? They still haven't told me they're not coming to work tomorrow yet, just so you know. I mean, I'm not.
They're making money.
A nice like heat wave to come through and melt all this.
At 12 a.m., we hit another 108 degrees tonight, but you know.
I feel like the outdoor boys right now. Yeah, but he also comes like with like animal pelts.
There she is, boy.
It's down there. We're almost
made
there.
it.
And Paulo's gonna have frostbite
In my fucking feet.
I was gonna have to get
on his feet.
chopped off. Now just tell me the last
Oh, my phone's gonna die.
thinking our way.
Seriously, my phone's gonna die. Yeah, look at these people. So I'm sitting here back home. My phone died right when I got there. It was a good time. I don't have the stabilizer, so please don't mind the shakiness right now. I'm just sitting here with, not my I Love to Fart mug, but I'm just listening to some music. As you can see on Spotify, I ate a couple Swiss rolls. I'm just relaxing. It was a good time. We were playing football. My dumbass only brought one pair of socks, so I had to borrow someone else's pair, which I am now wearing now, and they're really nice. They're really nice socks. Gotta go. Best brand, it doesn't have the brand on there, but you know, best brand of all time. This lighting is so bad, but I hope you all had a good snow Sunday. School's not canceled. It's a virtual day. So I probably won't be going. But anyway, who said that? I hope you all have a good time. I might go back to Paulo's to watch the second football game, which comes on in about an hour. I don't know if you saw the clock there. If I don't see you, have a good weekend or a week, and I'll see you next Sunday. Hopefully I can keep this as a weekly thing. I'm happy that this was our first vlog. Sorry it ended really short, but I'm not trying to make this a 20-30 minute vlog. Something, you know, to lighten your moods on the Monday. So I'm posting this on Monday, but this is a Sunday vlog. So basically showing you what I did for this week. So yeah, I hope you all, you know, watched it. You know, I can't wait to make more. So I'll see you all next Sunday. See ya.